Right, Grayson.
What?
I'm just kidding. Good job.
You need to narrate.
Yeah, that is correct. Ano siya ng kanyang ng pie? Ng
Not really
biscuit.
pie.
Apple biscuit pie.
I don't really like the apple pie. It's like the.
Okay. Just do it, boy. Oh my God. Oh, you didn't eat your on. Huh? Oh, you didn't eat. You want to nugget? How about the ice cream? Boogie tell us to make it. I got it. That's okay, I got it. Uy, magsalita ka, Grayson. Uy, you're doing recording and then you didn't talk. You need
Oh,
to
I don't know what to say.
I said, this is what I'm doing.
I'm planning on what?
Yeah, just explaining what are you doing.
I'm putting down the base for the apples.
Yeah. Try to, explain to them what are you doing. So that they will know.
Mm.
Yan guys, yung anak ko gumagawa siya ng apple biscuit. Tingnan nyo, malaki na itong anak ko. You're gonna put some sugar spread? Alright. Tingnan ko lang siya kung anong ginagawa niya guys.
Which one?
It doesn't matter which one. It doesn't matter side. It doesn't matter. Ala, sige. If there is a like this, you need to get it out, okay? Because it's
Okay.
not good. Ayan, gugawa siya ng apple biscuit pie. May ano ba yung sugar? May parang matigas. So kukunin ko siya, guys. Very good.
And then cinnamon.
Yeah. Huy! Ano ba yan? Okay. That's good.
I don't want it to be all in those places.
Ayan, ini-spread lang niya yung sugar, guys. Brown sugar ang ginamit niya. Pagkatapos, ilalagay niya yung apple dyan sa gitna. Siyempre, sa gitna. You want me to help you?
No.
No, he doesn't want me to help
Here.
him, guys. Oh, he wants me to help him. Tipo. Oh, ayan. Ayan. Lalagyan na naman ng biscuit sa sa
What? I went from
tatakpan siya ng ng biscuit. Yes, you need to flat it to be flat. Yes. Lalagyan na naman siya para ma-cover yung yung apple, guys. Ayan. Ganun lang, guys, magawa ng apple biscuit. Madali lang. Wag nyo nang pahirapan ang inyong sarili. Pag may apple lang kayo at saka may biscuit, ay okay na. Pero itong biscuit, guys, nasa lang siya, nasa can. Ayan. Tapusin mo na, Dudong. Bilisan mo na. Tapos, guys, lalagyan natin siya ng sugar sa ibabaw. Para naman, may lasa siya. Pagkatapos, pag maluto na, diba, ganun lang siya, guys. Kasimple. O, diba? Ito na, guys. Ready to cook na siya.